Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max class. Hope you all are staying safe at home. Chapter 1 Numbers, Session 7. You have already learnt how to compare 2 and 3 digit numbers. How do we compare bigger numbers now? Comparing numbers means to find out which of the given two numbers is smaller or greater. The numbers to be compared can have either the same number of digits or greater number of digits. These are the three symbols used while comparing the numbers: less than symbol, greater than symbol, and equal to symbol. This is a hungry alligator and he always opens his mouth wherever he sees the greater number. So in this case 3 is greater than 2. So the mouth is open towards 3. Here you read it 3 is greater than 2. In this case 3 is greater than 2. So the mouth is open towards 3. We read it as 2 is less than 3. The open mouth is always towards a greater number. And in this case, we have 10 and 10 on left as well as on right. Where will be the mouth open? The alligator cannot decide. So, we use this equal to sign. Equal to sign is used between two equal numbers. We say 10 is equal to 10. Now let us learn to compare 4-digit numbers. Count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. What does this mean? If you have two such numbers and you need to find which number is greater, first thing you need to do is count the number of digits. In 2413, how many digits are there? There are 4 digits. And how many are there in 897? There are 3 digits. So, 2413 is greater than 897. What about these two numbers? This has 4 digits and this also has 4 digits. So here you can't say which is greater. You have to compare the digit at the thousands place. Here 2 is lesser than 6. So 2475 is lesser than 6827. Now let us find this. Here both the number have 4 digits. Let us compare the thousands digit. It is 4 here and again 4 here. Here you have to compare the number in hundreds place. So it is 6 and here it is 3. So 6 is greater than 3. So 4674 is greater than 4381. What about this case? If I have 7425 and 7432. First, I look at thousands digit, which is 7. It is same. Now, I look at hundreds digit, again the same in both the numbers. What do I do now? I have to compare the numbers in tens place. It is 2 and 3. 2 is less than 3. Here 7425 is less than 7432. What about this? 1000 digits are the same, 100 digits are the same, tens digits are also the same. So compare the digit at the ones place. It is 8. Here it is 3. So 5748 is greater than 5743. If all the digits in the two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. So we see in this case 3869 and 3869. All the digits in both the numbers are equal. So the numbers are equal. I hope you are clear with this concept. Yes, now take out your maths classwork, children. Read the question. Compare the numbers and fill in the correct sign, greater, lesser or equal in each box. Read the first question. 2785, 2785. So here all the digits are same. So you have to compare the number in thousands place, it is 2. In hundreds place, it is 7. In tens place, it is 8. And ones place, it is 5. So I am giving the sign equal to. Second question, 7864 and you have to compare with 2439. So compare the thousands place, it is 7 and 2. So 7 is greater than 2. So I am giving greater sign. Third one, 5789 and you have to compare with 4689. So 5 is greater than 4. So I am giving greater sign. Rest you have to do it as homework and submit for correction. That's all for today, children. Bye. Take care.